Welcome to the 8th Annual Stock Trading Competition. In this video, we will guide you through the basic steps and take you through everything you need to know. In this stock trading competition, you and your team will be taking on the role as an investor, and you will be paired with a respective dealer. The flow of the game is as follows. There will be 10 sessions, and investors will keep buying and selling shares until the last session. For Session 5, players are required to maintain a fund balance, not more than 50,000 ringgit. Failure to do so will result in disqualification. In addition, shares are to be sold in the first in, first out, FIFO basis. If you buy 10 Apple shares in Session 2 and 20 shares in Session 3 and want to sell in Session 4, the number of shares bought in Session 2 must be sold first, that is 10 shares. Do note that selling half shares is not allowed. How to play? Now, how exactly do we buy and sell stocks? Our stock trading competition will have 10 sessions, and in each session, you will be given market scenario and stock price. Each group must read the market scenario carefully and determine which stock you want to buy or sell. Do take note that the news will impact the stock price for the next round, and that short selling is not allowed. This year, STC will include foreign currency, and each team will be given a starting fund of 500,000 ringgit. You will be given 2 order forms known as buy slip and sell slip. How to buy stock? There are 7 formulae in buying stocks. The formulae are as follows. Formula number 1, price times exchange rate equals AMIR. Number 2, a times lot times 100 units equals B. Number 3, B times 0.0075 equals C. Number 4, total stock price equals B plus C for buy and B minus C for sell. Number 5, total buying cost equals sum of total stock price. Number 6, fund balance equals initial minus total buying cost. Number 7, total sales minus total buy equals profit or loss. Let us take Sony for example. Sony has a price of 670 Japanese yen. Number 1, 670.00 times 0.0310 equals 20.77. Number 2, 20.77 times 10 lots times 100 equals 20,000. 770.00. Number 3, 20,770 times 0.0075 equals 155.775. Number 4, total stock price equals 20,000. 770.00 plus 155.775 equals 20,925.775 Malaysian ringgit. Number 5, fund balance equals 500,000 minus 20,000. 925.775 equals 479,074.23 Malaysian ringgit. Once you have finished your calculation, fill in your buy slip correctly and do not forget to sign. Hand over your slip to your respective dealer, and they will key in your order. How to sell stock? You are only allowed to sell stock starting from the second session. Calculate your stock using the formula below. Number 1, price times exchange rate equals A. Number 2, A times lot times 100 units equals B. Number 3, B times 0.0075 equals C. Number 4, total stock price equals B plus C for buy and B minus C for sell. Number 5, profit or loss equals total sales minus total buy. Let us take Sony again as an example. Number 1, 684.74 times 0.0340 equals 23.28116. A. Number 2, 23.28116 times 10 lots times 100 units equals 23,281.16 Malaysian ringgit. Number 3, 23,281.16 times 0.0075 equals 174.6087 Malaysian ringgit. C. Number 4, 23,281.16 minus 174.6087 equals 23,106.5513 Malaysian ringgit. Number 5, 23,106.5513 minus 20,000 925.775 equals 2,180.78 Malaysian ringgit. Then fill in your sell slip. Hand it over to your respective dealer. Thank you for watching, and see you at the 8th Annual Stock Trading Competition.